Aloha from Big Island, Hawaii. It's Kristen Flores, your Artsy Momsy, and just want to show you the views very quickly before I give you the latest Dior promo code. Okay, so the first promo code, you could get this Dior Prestige ritual set. It includes a pouch and 3 of the Dior Prestige beauty products. You'll get this with your minimum purchase of $250 and by using the promo code ASPEN24. If you are not very familiar with Dior beauty products, Dior Prestige is one of the most expensive skincare line by Dior Beauty. So if you have been looking to try this specific Dior Beauty line, I suggested to use this promo code ASPEN24 with your purchase of $250. By the way guys, if you're new here, my name is Kristen Flores, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel I am very dedicated to helping you get the most of your next Dior Beauty purchase. So if you are planning to buy anything in the Dior website, US and Canada, make sure to check my channel first for the latest promos and promo codes. Alright, let's continue. Alright, the next gift with purchase is a personal favorite of mine. It is this Dior Capture Totale gift set with a white Dior pouch, a face towel, and I think the towel is a hair towel size, so it's the longer one, and it has a full size set of Dior Capture Total products. The essence lotion, which is my favorite. If you've been watching my YouTube videos, you know that this is a regular item that I buy at the Dior Beauty website. And it also has the Capture Total serum and also the eye cream, and I believe these are all full-size products. I will insert a video here from Nisa Buttercup. I am following her, and if you are not following her yet, she's also amazing with sharing great Dior products and also promo codes and other things, crafty stuff, just like myself, and that's one of the reasons I followed her, because she is so great. So here's a video of one of her unboxing, and I believe this is the exact gift with purchase she received. And the promo code to get this Capture Total set is ASPEN48 with your minimum purchase of $300. I know that's a lot. I think this is perfect for those who like Capture Total skincare products like myself. So I'm actually planning on getting this because again, it will actually save me money. All these 3 full-size items is almost $300 already. And if I will buy the stuff that I'm already using and maybe some items from my wish list and some products that I could gift for, you know, for upcoming birthdays of my friends and family, I know the 300 purchase will go a long way. The best way to purchase your beauty products is when there is a gift with purchase of products that you are actually using, and also when you are buying items that you want to gift for friends and family. So that's the best time to do it, because you will really save a lot of money doing it that way. These 2 promo codes that I just shared with you, ASPEN24 and ASPEN48, they might be expired by next Wednesday midnight Eastern time, because on Thursday there will be a new masterclass. Therefore, there are also new set of promo codes that will replace these 2 promo codes. So if these are items that you want to try, or you are already using Dior Prestige skincare line and also Dior Capture Total, this is the perfect time to stock up on your favorite beauty products. Alright, thank you for joining me. I hope you find this very helpful for your next Dior Beauty purchase. And if you like fashion, beauty, and everything crafty, please consider subscribing. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me. Your support means a lot to me. And for those who hasn't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It will motivate me to keep doing this, something that I love and something that I want to share with you guys. Alright, thanks again, and see you in my next video. Mahalo.